This e-learning video relates to the subunit of materials, which is part of the unit MS4 or G4. Please ensure that you take some notes. The lesson objectives. After studying this video and making the correct notes, you should be able to answer questions on material properties, corrosion, and terms used to describe materials. Introduction. Different materials are used in different places on motor vehicles because of their properties. If I give a simple example, it will make this clear. Cast iron is normally used for the very hot exhaust manifold, but could plastic be used instead? Well, probably not, and it's obvious why. However, if we said, could we use aluminium instead? This time it is not obvious and more thought is required to decide the most suitable material. Properties. The following table lists several types of materials together with important properties. As a rough guide, these are given as a number from 1, which is best, to 5, which is worst, in a kind of league table. This makes the table easier to use for comparing one material to another. Please ensure you access the PowerPoint underneath this video to make notes and to study this table. Corrosion. Corrosion is the eating away and eventual destruction of metals and alloys by chemical reaction. Most metals corrode eventually, but the rusting of ordinary iron and steel is the most common form of corrosion. Rusting of iron or steel takes place in damp air, when the iron combines with oxygen and water to form a brown deposit known as rust. High temperatures make this reaction work more quickly. Salty road and air conditions make car bodies rust more quickly. Rubber and plastics. Some materials other than metals corrode or perish over a period of time. Rubber is an example of a material which will perish over time. Plastics have the great advantage that they appear to last forever. This is why they are used as bumpers and different trims on the outside of the vehicle body, as they last much longer. Terms used to describe materials. The following table outlines terms used to describe materials. Please ensure that you take a note of this table. You can also access the table via the hyperlink to the PowerPoint underneath this video. It is important that you understand what each of these properties mean. Please ensure that you do study the tables in this video. The PowerPoint is also available as a hyperlink underneath this video. Once you've made the relevant notes, please ensure that you attempt the quiz afterwards.